character. Do I look fat? Okay. Yo, we are Packstreet Collectibles, and when we're not busy building a business, we like to kick back, relax, unwind, and just talk with our friends. This is the break room.
Packstreet's back. All right.
So today's episode of the break room, we're playing another game of To Be Listed, a show where we list our top 5 of random subjects that sometimes you suggest. Today's topic is top 5 best Naruto characters. The one and only rule that I put onto this list is that we wouldn't list Naruto. I found out after that they wouldn't have listed him anyway. But I didn't want to list Naruto because I thought it was a given that everybody would pick Naruto, but it didn't happen. So keep that in mind. And now let's get started with Josh's number 5.
All right, well, this is my imaginary.
I'm sorry to interrupt again. Naruto's mid. Go ahead, continue.
Yo, but yeah, anyways, this is my imaginary top 5 best. But Drunken Fist Rock Lee, they didn't give him enough. They didn't give him enough airtime for when he basically about to beat Kimimura's ass. I mean, they should have put more scenes, and definitely a Shippuden with him like drinking the sake and fighting people more, because that shit was sick and made it last longer. Yeah, that was like one of like the best things in Naruto. Like,
so you're saying specifically when he's
not regular Rock Lee. Regular Rock Lee is trash, but
oh wow, okay.
But other than that, yeah, proceed.
Okay, let's keep it going.
Anyways, my top 5, my number 5 is Might Guy.
Might Guy is a beast in ass pick, right? His hands.
So he uses his hands. He's a man. That's what you call a man.
Yo.
Man.
And his dick is his big.
I'm not a business man. It's a business, man. I didn't say that right, but. All right,
you did it wrong again. No, let's stay on Might Guy. Let's stay on Might Guy for 1 second, because I'm glad you put him in there. I forgot to put him on my list. But he is one of the strongest ninja in the show. And he doesn't use jutsu. We got to appreciate that. And you remember when Kakashi saw his wiener? You remember?
The acorn.
Yeah, the acorn. Moving on.
All right.
All right, so for my list, I listed at number 5, hold, Rock Lee. Not Drunken Fist Rock Lee. Rock fucking Lee. They did his character dirty by injuring him early in the show. You know, he could open the gates. Another ninja that doesn't use jutsu, trained by Might Guy. This guy is the fucking man, and I like that he's sensitive and cries.
Facts, B.
He had to be on my list. I love that character.
Okay.
I'm going to make a sparkle. On the edit, I'm going to make a sparkle.
All right.
What about you?
That's racist. All right. Now next.
That's got to be racist. All right.
Next up, Josh's
So, number 4 for me will be Modera. All right, but like I said, this is sort of like favorite / this is more of a favorite thing for me, so just ignore my opinion.
Yeah.
But anyway, Modera is like one of the dopest probably villains in anime. Come on now. Like that whole fight scene when they had no idea who the hell he was, and just when he fought the whole village and everyone else, and just disrespected everyone, and then everybody got so excited because they stopped the boulder that was coming down. But then they were just like, what are you gonna do about the second one? And he just destroyed everyone. He's just like one of the dopest. Just like him. He's like one of the dopest Uchihas. Honestly, he might be the dopest Uchiha.
I disagree, but yes.
But yeah, Modera's just a G, man.
I appreciate that pick. I appreciate that pick.
He's just sick, man.
Let's move it on up.
Number 4 for me, Pain.
Damn, no hold.
Pain.
Number 4 for me, Pain.
That almighty push on top of the village. Yeah. When he basically told Tsunade, what you gonna do about this? And went up there and just rakatakagaga. And then when he fought Naruto and then his Nine Tails form, oh my god, bro. Best fight in the fucking series. Yeah, Josh's opinion doesn't matter, but mine does.
Yeah, just like my favorite path is you just to stop talking.
Dork.
My number 4. My number 4. Do not fucking hate. I know y'all gonna hate on this one. He's gotta be on the list. Kakashi Hatake.
Okay.
Kakashi!
I respect that.
Okay, cool. Good. Mr. Worldwide. Everybody knows him. You know, every time he's going up to fight somebody, they're like, "You're Kakashi of the Sharingan." They know this man. He trained the best team in the show.
Oh, that shit was so
He's
hard.
the trainer of the best team in the show.
Yep.
That's going to be my new thing, my new catchphrase. All right, now let's move on to Josh's number 3.
See, this isn't fair, though, because number 3 for me is also Kakashi. So that's why I respected it. And Kakashi's like one of my favorite
Yeah, I'm about
characters.
to make out.
Yo, chill. That would be incest, all right? Relax.
Subscribe to the
'cause we're
Patreon so
related,
you can see that.
That would
if
be
you want to
messed
see that happen, subscribe to the Patreon.
Nah, I don't think that's going to happen, no matter how.
Subscribe to the Patreon.
But hey. But yeah, no, number 3 for me would be Kakashi. My favorite ninja, the copy ninja. It's just everything about him. He's just sick, man. And like, come on now. Like, even though him fighting Zabuza was like one of the most classic things in like Naruto.
Yes, it was.
That fight was fucking sick. And of course, with him when he got the perfect Susanoo, that
wasn't his.
Shit was
That wasn't his.
sick.
All right, don't start. All right, Kevin.
All right.
I'll censor you. I will turn your microphone off.
You said it was a what?
It wasn't his.
He said it wasn't his.
Okay, but still, like, that shit was still fucking sick. So
Number 3 for me. Orochimaru.
I'm a snag.
All right, take 2. Number 3,
Yeah.
Orochimaru. That's a good
Orochimaru trying to get the forbidden jutsus and all that shit. Trying to be immortal. He would do the wildest shit though. Like,
Yeah.
he's number 1 sus too.
Yo, for real.
He's sus.
And he ain't that bad neither.
Yo, tongue game crazy.
He's in Baruto right now looking better than everyone else.
I know,
All
right?
the characters from his show.
And he's definitely top 3 villains in the show.
Yeah, see, that's
Top
that's
2.
different. Yeah, I agree with that.
Top 2. Orochimaru, that was number 3. My number 3, right? My bad. Oh, I was drinking before this. My number 3 pick.
Seagrams.
Yikes.
All right, my number 3 pick is Jiraiya. This man, he gets all the ladies. He's the trainer of Naruto. He trained Nagato, a sick ass team, Conan, and the other one. The other one. We'll show a picture of him. I forget his name right now. Jiraiya is a beast because I like the characters that are funny, goofy, and stupid, but then when they gotta get it cracking, they get it cracking. When he died, if you guys are watching this, I'm assuming you know this already. When he died, them teardrops. Moving on.
Number 2.
All right, number 2 for me. This is gonna be like, what the fuck? Why is this your favorite? But number 2 for me is Conan from the Akatsuki.
Yeah, fucking simp weeb ass.
Simple weeb? What do you mean? Conan's fucking dope, bro. You gotta think about it too. The fact that she almost fucking killed Modera when they were fighting each other, that was an underrated fight scene, first of all.
That wasn't Modera.
Well, Obito, I'm sorry. Jesus, I keep getting confused with them. But Obito, yo, she almost killed him, bro. Like, I know y'all seen that.
Almost don't count.
But, bro,
it don't matter if you win by
I know,
inch.
but still, though, like, he doubted the shit out of her.
Family.
He doubted the shit out of her, and just everything with her,
Family.
with the whole origami and paper stuff that she does, bro. That shit is fucking sick.
I don't know.
That would have been sick.
So many good characters in this show.
Number 2 for me, which Josh said earlier, is Modera. Because, bro, he fought all the tail beasts by himself.
Bro.
Yo, that man stood on the mountain and with no eyes was like, I'm about to fuck all y'all up.
Yeah, bro.
And did that shit.
Well, I'm on number 2. Okay, number 2. You guys haven't said this yet. And I'm thinking, like, is he your number 1? Or what's going on here? Because you especially, you said Conan. So if this man ain't on your list, Minato-sensei. Minato, the Faja of Naruto.
Faja.
The creator of some cool ass jutsu like supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Thunder badge.
Yo, this man, I don't gotta speak on Minato. You're watching this. If you made it this far, you know Minato. You know he's the OG. I got a toy of him somewhere up there. Respect. Minato, when he was, when this man was dissolving after the fucking war, And Naruto is like trying to talk to him, and he was fucking. Yo, he was going to heaven or whatever they think they have.
Whatever they believe
That
in.
shit was so sad.
They went back to the drawing board.
Let's get to Josh's number one. Number one. So let's see who number one
What is it gonna be? Because it's so obvious. But Kisame is my number one. And go ahead, yeah, whatever. Y'all say whatever y'all want to say. The non-tailed beast. Well, not a beast technically, but the non-tailed. Technically, he has all the power of a Jinchuriki, but obviously he just doesn't have one in him. If there was like a shark one, that would be sick, but it's not. But come on now, bro. Why y'all some haters, bro. This man literally almost killed Killer Bee. Well, he did basically kill Killer Bee. And, of course, his brother had to come and save him.
Oh, shit. He's talking.
Oh, my God.
Man, yo, fuck you guys, bro. You know that? You guys don't appreciate my number one pick.
No,
just
we
because.
don't. Anyways, my number one is Jiraiya. Dirty, dirty boy.
Jiraiya number one. Okay.
Yo, what was that one? He was standing there with Kakashi and they were trying to measure Tsunade's boobies.
Oh, yeah. How many centimeters was it?
34, right? Or 30?
Nah, bro. 34. Nah, bro. That's too small, baby.
Anyways, when he
How big?
when Itachi, Ichigai, and Kisame came for Naruto, and Jiraiya showed up with a bitch on his arm, at that point, he could have beat Itachi.
He coated that all the hallways
Yeah,
with
with
that fucking.
the
It
internal
could
frog
have been
shit.
a wrap right there. Naruto would have been shortened. That's a beautiful number one pick. I respect that. That's a character that deserves a number one spot.
And
Yeah, how about
you know
mine?
what? And it's not a person that you switch up. Like, he was my favorite from the gate. Like, I didn't even have a favorite character until he was introduced.
Just like when I seen Kisame,
Wow.
but you know.
This is a lot. Let's get down to my number one, which I'm going to say this shit is not even an opinion. This shit should be fact. Everyone should agree that this is the number one smartest, strongest, and best ninja in the show. Itachi Uchiha. The moves that he was making since a kid, he was put in the Anbu. He had a master plan. Thinking of a master plan. He put a crow in Naruto's mouth.
That shit was crazy. That shit was crazy.
Yo,
that
do
shit
that
gave me
do that
anxiety,
closer
though.
do that closer to the mic again?
I don't want people to jiff me.
Okay.
Nah, it ain't happening.
That shit gave me anxiety though when it was coming out of his mouth.
Right?
I was like,
Yo, what's Yo, Itachi, I mean, come on. When you watch the show and you think about everything he had to do for shit to work out the way it did, and then the way that what he did to Kabuto is a strong ninja,
Yeah.
especially by the end of the show.
Even though like he just looks so hated though, like that. I don't know, just by the way he looks, it just look like everyone would just hate him.
Oh, Kabuto.
Yeah, Kabuto. Yeah,
Kabuto.
not Itachi.
Yeah, I kind of like hate him, but you gotta appreciate his
Yeah,
power.
like
all right.
So now we gotta do our honorable mention.
Yeah, just a name. Don't explain. Just a name.
for me it would just have to be Pain.
Mine's Shisui.
Zabuza. Why?
Shisui?
Yes.
Oh come on, I thought you said we weren't
Are you-
explaining. You just
are
said we're
you-
saying it and keep going.
Yo,
I didn't say nothing.
You don't
I was
think
being
so?
nice. Continue. I'm not saying nothing. You said not to say nothing.
first of all, Shisui trained Itachi.
He said don't explain, and look at him.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I said. I'm not gonna say
All right,
nothing.
y'all. In the comment section.
All right, God bless.
In the comment section.
Yo,
you can
y'all
rate
got me
our-
in my diva phase right now, yo.
Oh.
In the comment section, you can rate our list from best to worst. I also want to know your favorite characters. If you enjoyed this video at all, we do this shit sometimes. Give us a like. Give us a subscribe if you want to. I don't give a shit if you do or not, straight up.
500 likes, I wear a bra on the next one.
All right.
And that wasn't recording.
All I'm gonna say